Hey, let me show you how we can check serial number of your Huawei FreeBuds 5i. So we got basically three methods to check the serial number. The first one in the AI Live application, when you are connected and when you tap on the right upper corner and go to the device settings, you will be able to locate the device information, and here it's the serial number and also the left and the right earbud. So basically the separate serial number. The second place where you can locate this serial number is on the box. So when you take a look on the box and find the sticker, that's the serial number. And the third way, when you have your charging case and you zoom in, I think that already you can find it. It's located on the left side, just right here. It's under this Made in China marking. And yeah, that's all for this video. Bye bye.